Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in this video, I'll be showing you QR code payments via your bank's online app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Now what you need to do is, if you're using it from the Wells Fargo, or if you are using or want to use a Wells Fargo bank application, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the Wells Fargo application and be sure to be logged into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on Pay and Transfer on the bottom of your screen. Then once you tap on Pay and Transfer, among the options you'll find an option that says Scan QR Code. Simply tap on that, and now you can simply scan QR code for the merchant payments or simply use Pay or Zelle. Now, if you want to scan the QR code, simply tap on Use Camera, and then once you do that, point your camera at the QR code and app automatically reads the payment info. The next is to confirm payment, review amount and receipt, and choose the account from the savings and simply tap on Send Payment. And once you do that, the payment completes instantly or within minutes. Now if you want to scan QR code from your Chase Bank application, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the Chase Bank application and be sure to be logged into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the accounts option on the bottom of your screen or tap on Pay and Transfer. Then once you tap on Pay and Transfer, here you'll find the option that says Scan QR Code. Simply select that, and once you select that, you'll find two options, that is Pay with Zelle or simply Scan QR Code. Now simply tap on Scan Code, and here what you need to do is use your phone camera to scan the QR code and the recipient details loads automatically. Then next is to confirm the payment. Enter or confirm the payment, choose the account from checkings or savings, and then simply tap on the Send option. Then once that's done, payment usually sends instantly and you'll be able to pay from the QR code. Then now, if you want to use it from the Bank of America application, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up the Bank of America application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply follow the same steps, that is tapping on the Pay and Transfer on the bottom, and then once you simply tap on that, you'll find an option that says Scan QR Code. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping it, you'll find two options like Zelle, Send and Receive, and Scan QR Code. Now if you want to use the Scan QR Code, simply tap on Scan QR Code, and now what you need to do is point your phone's camera at the QR code. Recipient information loads automatically, and once that's done, what you need to do is confirm the payment. Enter or confirm the amount, choose your account from checkings or savings, and then once that's done, simply tap on the Send option. And as you tap on Send, payments are usually instant. You can simply tap on Get Receipt to get the receipt, and these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.